Hoopers. This is Shay working your hip to Hoopla, and today we are working on an isolation ghosting maneuver. So this is a linear ghosting isolation. Yes. So what you're going to do is have a working hand and a ghosting hand. So this is going to be my working hand. It's going to grip the hoop. This is going to be my ghosting hand. It's going to lightly, sort of, not really grip the hoop, but move along and just let the hoop float inside. So you're going to take the working gripping hand, and it's going to work. You want to keep the hands equidistance. That's what's going to keep this magical looking move. And then you're going to switch the working hand. So now I'm switching off, and my other hand's going to be a ghosting hand. So to make it look like I'm going to keep one hand open, one hand closed. But then you're going to make it look like that. And you want to keep the circle going, and that's why you change working hands, is when you have a spiral hoop, this will be very noticeable. So you can do lots of variations on this, but this ghosting isolation is going to be a lot of fun. So rock on, peace out.